Hi. So, I have a theory about what monsters I think we'll see in Stranger Things Season 5. So, originally I thought that after the time jump happened in Season 5, that the Mind Flayer would just be, like, the final villain that the characters have to fight. But then I was thinking about it, more, and I thought it'd be cooler if we had, like, one more new villain. Like, one more new monster that they had to fight that we haven't seen yet. And I didn't know what that would be, or who it would be, but I thought it'd be cool if it was, like, a monster named after a D&D character, because that seems like what they like to do, you know, with the Demogorgon and the Mind Flayer and Vecna. So I thought that would be cool if there was, like, one new monster that was, like, the ultimate bad guy. And then I thought of something cooler than if there was just one monster. So I thought this would be cool if the, like, either the Mind Flayer or Vecna had, like, this army of monsters, but not like an army of Demogorgons or an army of one monster. Like, there's this series of, like, monsters that are all, like, named after D&D monsters and, like, you know, kind of do the same thing as some characters in D&D do. That are all, like, that the characters of the show have to, like, fight to get to Vecna. Or the Mind Flayer, whatever one. But, like, you know, I've never actually played D&D, so I don't know the names of any of the monsters, except the ones that were named in the show, obviously, but, so it's hard to give an example, but, like, you know, these different monsters are all going after them, they have to fight them, like, one by one, and I just feel like that would be really cool, if that makes sense. Also, I just, like, imagine this scene would happen where, one of the kids, like, gets the D&D manual, and they have to, like, go through the list of monsters and explain to everyone who they are and what they do. I expect that to be Dustin. I don't know why, I just feel like Dustin would do that. And I feel like it'd be cool because it'd be funny because, like, Joyce and Hopper would definitely be, like, so confused. Like, they'd be like, what are you talking about? I just feel like that scene would be cool. I also think there being a series of monsters would also be cool. Also, I know that the Duffer Brothers said that they weren't gonna add any more new characters in Season 5, but I don't think they meant monsters. Because, like, a lot of people are upset about how many new characters they added in Season 4. But I haven't seen anyone ever be upset about them adding new monsters. So I feel like they weren't talking about monsters when they said that. I think they just meant, like, human characters. Like, I'm just assuming that's what they meant, but I don't know. But yeah, I just think it'd be cool if there was, like, a series of monsters that the characters had to fight. And, like, each monster had a name that, you know, is the name of a monster in the game, and, like, each monster in the show did the same thing that the monsters in the game did, like, had the same power or whatever, if that makes sense. I hope it does. I don't know. But we'll see what happens. That's all. Bye.